Sabi dito, tigas ng katawan para sa akin ha. Sorry, just saying. Sabi ni Aura, ikaw, tigas ng mukha. Mag-comment na para bang kaya mo yan. Not sorry, just saying lang din. Alam mo yung kala ko kung ano na yung matigas na tinutukoy ng isa. Alam mo yung every time that they are criticizing whatever we are doing, instead of looking at it as a way to improve ourselves, we treat it as a personal attack. Na para bang yung pagkatao natin yung inaatake nila, hindi na yung quality nung sayaw. Which is, sabi naman nung nasa comment section, maliwanag, ang tigas ng katawan. 'Di ba? Parang yung muscular, full of testosterone, ganun. So treat it as a way to, improve, be more feminine, di ba? Lalo na kung pang-feminine yung sayaw, so on and so forth. So, take it as a way to improve yourself, not as an attack. Okay? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.